In this video, we will introduce the prep for D-PSC-DS-01 Dell PowerScale Design V2 exam. What is D-PSC-DS-01 Dell PowerScale Design V2 exam? D-PSC-DS-01 exam overview. D-PSC-DS-01 exam topics. Best study tips for success. One. How does node architecture impact performance sizing in a PowerScale solution? A. Each node's CPU and memory characteristics directly influence workload throughput and latency. B. Nodes only provide disk storage capacity, not affecting performance. C. Node architecture is irrelevant if all nodes run the same 1FS version. D. Network switch models completely negate node performance differences. 2. While considering expanding a current Isilon cluster, what tool or report can be used to investigate current file sizes used on the cluster? A. Isilon Web Interface, Smart Quotas. B. Insight IQ, Deduplication Reporting. C. Isilon Web Interface, Storage Pools. D. Insight IQ, File System Analytics. 3. An architect is designing a solution for a customer that is replicating data between two data centers 15 kilometers apart from each other. The customer requires point-in-time protection. What is possible in a Sync IQ policy? A. Copy source snapshots to remote cluster. B. Replicate shares and exports on remote cluster. C. Create snapshots on remote cluster. D. Replicate cluster configuration data. 4. You are sizing a PowerScale General 6 cluster for a small organization that is concerned about the availability of the journal during an extended power outage. What is a consideration when sizing? A. Journal must be protected by an external UPS. B. Journal is written to non-volatile storage if power is lost. C. Journal is replicated to all nodes within a chassis. D. Battery life within each node is a limiting factor. 5. What is used to set permissions for devices managed by secure remote services? A. Insight IQ. B. Secure Remote Services Gateway. C. Support IQ. D. Policy Manager. 6. When a Gen 6 Isilon cluster receives a file to be stored, which nodes performs the FEC calculation? A. Node to which the client is connected. B. Each node in the cluster. C. First node in each node pair. D. Node that will be holding the FEC. 7. An Isilon cluster has 2 ports configured per node. Each port is on a different VLAN. Although incoming traffic is evenly distributed, transmitted data from the Isilon uses one port more than the other port. What could be the cause of this imbalance? A. Static routes are configured on the less used port. B. Source-based routing is not enabled on the cluster. C. A default gateway was not configured on both ports. D. Priority of the gateway in the less used ports set too low. 8. Refer to the exhibit. Which tool was used to create this output and what is the most telling characteristic? A. NFS stat and write intensive access. B. IO-stat and write intensive access. C. Read intensive access and NFS stat. D. ISI_netlogger and moderate metadata read operations. 9. Which service daemon is used by FTP and FTPS to transfer files to and from the cluster? A. SFTPD. B. FTPSD. C. FTPD. D. VSFTPD. 10. You are adding a new node to an existing cluster. What 1FS function should you use to remove the old nodes from the cluster? A. Smart fail. B. Sync IQ. C. Auto balance. D. Smart pools. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PassCert for more IT exam prep.